Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So this one is integration by part, okay? It's different from integration by substitution. Now let me start with the question number one by one. Now we have integral of x raised to power what? X, okay? Before you can apply integration by part, you have to note this thing here. Now you have to consider which one is what differentiable and which one is what integratable, right? Here now my s here is what differentiable, right? Let me now come to this equation one here, right? That is, I can say let what my u equal to x here, right? Look at this one, integratable. This one is for my db is equal to what? E raised power x. Now differentiate the u dx here. Du dx will be what? 1. Okay? That is, look at this principle. It's very, very important. Whenever you are dealing with differentiation, dy dx will be what? Take this n to this, that's n minus 1. The same thing applicable to this one. The power of x here is 1. Take 1. 1 minus 1 is for 0. X raised power 0 is 1. Now, let me now integrate this one now. Integrate e raised power x. Okay? Now, according to this principle as well, e raised power x, integration of e raised power x will be what? This one going to be what? E raised power x is very, very important. Now this one will now give us what? E raised power x, right? So let us further. Let me now apply this formula here. Here now, I can make my what? Du by crossing multiply. This one be what? Du dx. Now let us now apply the formula. My formula here, which is u dv equal to uv minus what? V du, right? Now my u is what? Is x. My dv is what? My v is e raised power x. Yes, I'm right. Minus integration of my v is what? E raised power x. My du is equal to what? Dx, right? We now have we have x into what? E raised power x minus integrate e raised power x. We are going to get what? E raised power x plus constant. So this is the answer. Now look at this question number 2 now. I can further from that angle, right? We 6 what? We have for integrate what? E raised power what? S square. Integrate s square e raised power what? X dx. Okay. Now, before we can solve this thing, we can see that this one is differentiable. We also say what? Let u is equal to what? S square. Okay. And my dv is equal to what? E raised power what? X, right? Step by step. Now we can say the u dx here, the u dx, the u dx equal to what? 2x. Okay. Now this one is the v equal to what? E raised power x dx. Now let me just make the u here the surface formula. Okay. I want to make this one now. I want to make the x. Now let me integrate this one in the first place. Okay. Yeah. Now let me just cut that. The u is equal to what? 2x dx. Right. Similarly, look at this one. Integrate this one now. E raised power es again. We have what? E raised power x. Okay. According to the our formula uv, right? My u is what? S square. We are done with that. My what? My v is what? Is e raised power x minus my dv. My v is what? Look, don't forget this formula. My v is what? E raised power x. Put it here. And my du is what? Look at this. The u here is what? My du is what? 2x dx. So let me put 2x dx here. Now let me write this one. This one will give us x square e raised power x minus. Let me take these two out. We now have what? X e raised power x dx. Now if you look at the second part here, look at this side here. Let me write this in x square e raised power x square e raised power minus 2. Now here now we have s raised to power x. Don't forget that. So this is what we have in this equation one, this equation here, right? Now we have gotten the value to be what? Everything here. Okay. Now let me now substitute without wasting my time. We have done this one before. So just put, okay, let me rewrite this. S raised to power what? X. Okay. Now I can have s squared raised to power x minus everything that we got here. Okay. Put your 2 here. Now put your what? Bracket here. That is x raised to power x minus raised to power x plus what? Constant. Okay. Now let me now open the bracket. You can now have x squared raised to power x minus, open everything here. We have 2x minus 2x raised to power x minus that minus is plus. This one be what? 2 into what? Raised to power x plus constant. Please kindly follow, like, comment, and share. Bye.